Hello everybody, welcome back to another FY Mushy video. It's definitely not someone else.
Okay. This is definitely gonna be the perfect game to play.
Oh.
Okay, here you go, I'm joining it.
Oh, no. Oh, it's kind of fitting.
I know, it's perfect. My game is not low. Okay, there you go, it's loading in. I got a badge! Oh my gosh. Does that mean I'm famous?
Praised by the... You know it's awful when it has the powers.
Aren't they like done for? Didn't they like end their channel and everything? Didn't like something bad happen?
I don't know. I think one of the guys.
Yeah.
It's good.
No, how did I die? Oh, this is already starting off cringy. What does this guy say?
That face is
You must find. The face is cringy. I don't know. Okay.
Jump into this tab.
Yeet.
Sounds fun.
Let's go. Dude. Oof. Ooh, are these YouTubers? Where are we? It seems to be a dream. Maybe maybe it belong to YouTubers? What? Oh, we're not supposed to touch cereal. Don't touch cereal. It's unhealthy.
Oh god.
This is hard. Oh gosh, I'm already dead.
I'm just following this guy.
I'm gonna use the shift. I'm using lock. Yeah. No, I'm never gonna make through this. Have you watched my Abby video?
Which one?
Oh well, I think I've only made one, haven't I?
I stay updated, so.
Oh, this is hard. Okay, I'm just gonna go around. Nope.
Oh my god.
Move out of the way, people. I need this checkpoint. This checkpoint is mine. Okay, okay. Now you talk it for him. I already talked for the cereal guy. Now give him a voice. Give him a voice.
Gosh. It's time for you to go to Jupiter, cadets. Another YouTuber is stranded there. How do you get?
That's actually a pretty good voice.
Rockets.
That was actually pretty good.
Oh,
Which one are we supposed to touch? The black
where
ones
am I? What the hell?
I'm gonna touch
Is
yellow.
this like punishment?
Oh, it's yellow. It's yellow. I'm playing checkers. Oh. Where did you die already?
How am I 12 steps ahead of you? That's what I'm wondering.
Wait, where are you? What?
I don't know. I'm in this Dennis area.
Wait, so you cheated? You paid Roblox? I'm gonna watch your
Yeah,
video.
I just died.
You died, and then you spawned at Dennis? Am I supposed to die too? I don't know. Am I supposed to die? I don't know. I might.
All I did was touch the yellow.
I touched the yellow. You're supposed to touch the yellow.
I meant to touch the black. That's when I said don't touch it.
Oh, I don't know where you're at. I'm gonna go on this rocket and hopefully I'll find you.
I'm probably in Jupiter.
Wait. Oh, I'm in space. Where are you?
With Dennis. We're chilling.
Dennis Daly.
It's like this massive evil Dennis. I have no idea.
How did I get here? I'm by this big sketch guy. Do I just walk on him? I went through another portal? I don't know where this. We just like straight up separated. I don't know how we got to this point. Am I going backwards? Oh, I'm actually going backwards. Oops. I'm so confused. We might have to do a different lobby because this lobby is not working out. It is has some glitches.
It has to be broken.
It's pretty. I'm just doing some hands work. That was, oh my goodness, that video was so cringy. I should have never uploaded it. I should delete that.
Oh.
I did it as a joke. Now, oh, it was sub. But it's in Minecraft, which I don't understand.
Oh, you're one away from me. We're gonna be together.
Oh, wait, so I'm close to you? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
You just have to go through that stage.
Okay, I'm pretty good. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna make it. We're playing Dennis. That's pretty big. I'm gonna do the voice. It's Dennis! Quick, jump on Sir Bull's head to safety.
Yay.
Alright, let's go. Man. Sir okay. Wait, can we just walk on the rope? The rope? Is that just possible? I'm not dying. Okay, there we go.
You're just chilling.
I'm just like chilling on the water, swimming. Oh, now I have to start over? Okay. It isn't really hard, actually. I should just never do.
You can walk on the pole. Oh, gosh.
This is too easy. Yes, let's go. I'm gonna use shift because I'm cheating. I want to cheat. Okay, you know what? I'm not cheating. That's actually harder. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna walk it. Okay, yay! Wait, who? Radiate JH. What about you? This should be your room. We should be. Can I buy admin? Is this possible? I'm gonna delete all this and it's gonna be yours. Where am I gonna be? Maybe in the next room. Next area is gonna be mine. Lipstick. Other lipstick. Other lipstick. Elbow lipstick. Okay. Somebody played the national anthem. Oh, say, can you see?
Yes.
I can see death.
Just have that running along the background.
Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna make it. I'm already 7 minutes in. Okay, there, we did it. Okay, that's close. No, stay back. Stay back. Where do we go? I think we jump on the laptop.
Why is it cheap here? This is so quick. Okay, let's go.
You just go.
Oh, you
Ooh! Okay, now it's your turn. Your turn. I don't know what their names is. Just say it.
Oh my god. It's Karina OMG and Ronaldo OMG.
Oh.
No, it's not that, like, bro versus.
What about OMG Lee? Yeah.
Yes.
OMG Q.
That's...
Okay, well, it's
This
not.
is the end of the road.
Where is it? Is this the end? We can't.
Oh, you don't touch the door, you just stand on the little platform.
Wait. Oh. Well, thanks for the explanation now. Now I gotta do all this parkour again. Platform. I died! I touched the platform! I'm touching that door. You lied. I know it.
I don't know what I did. I'm just in a Tweety bird room now.
A little birdie room. A little birdie told me on my shoulder. I died and okay, wait, I'm at Dennis now? I'm at Dennis again.
What?
I don't know.
This is so messed up.
This is really messed up. I don't get anything where, like what? Just what are we even supposed to do?
Oh, I'm at Dennis as well.
Oh, you're at Dennis too?
Oh, hello.
I don't know, I think I glitched out my recording system. My thing stopped, it's like, has red lines now. What the heck? Okay, look. What if I place it like that? Is something supposed to okay, there it is recording. I was just worried. I don't know. Okay, I'm super confused. We're just I'm gonna cut ahead until we figure this out. Welcome, and we're back at the Tweety Birds.
Yes.
Okay, now you talk to this guy. Wait, no, is it my turn or is it your turn? I don't know.
I have no idea.
Let's just get going.
Where are we?
I want to make sure I touch this.
Gamer chat? Interesting.
Who are these YouTubers? I don't know them.
I haven't known any of them.
I know, like, the pals, obviously, because they got, like, all that problem they were having. And, like,
That's how I've heard of them.
you know, they have that problem they were having.
Yeah, just the problem.
Just the problem. I don't know what problem it was, but it was a problem. Oh, here,
that's the guy.
What the heck is this?
That is a disaster.
Oh! Uh-oh, it's the Shadow Lady. She is drowning. Jump on the claws before she catches you. I feel like we're gonna get sucked in.
Mom wants you.
Oopsie-daisy. Okay. Now, hurry before she gets you. The collision on this is not really right. I feel like I'm gonna fall off one of them.
Yeah.
Oh, that was so close. Nope.
We're just watching her drown. Ethan Gamer.
Okay, your turn.
Shh, be very quiet. It's Ethan Gamer TV's room. He's sleeping. Ethan!
Ethan, get off those video games!
Wake up! You have to upload, Ethan.
Ethan, it's TikTok time.
Everyone go on TikTok. Oh no, I'm sleeping. Okay.
Stan Tedadum. Oh my, it's Dan TDM. Jump on Diamond, my gods. We must getting near the source of evil.
Yes.
Are we supposed to touch these or just walk? Okay. Oh no. Ah! That scared me.
I have to say like a foot back. Oh no.
I got it first try, Dan Tedadum. Here we go. Eat. Jump. Jump.
I missed
Jump.
that one.
Now I just gotta wait. Oh wait.
Oh no.
Check them.
Green.
It's green. I bet it's gonna be red. What? No, I thought it would be red for YouTube.
That would be true. Oh no.
Mm.
Oh.
Dude. Oh no, it was
Escalator.
moving. I thought I was crazy for a minute. I was like, what? Why am I moving?
Same.
Like, body, this isn't what you're supposed to do. Okay.
Well,
Ooh, I need this. I need it. I need a checkpoint. Watch. You're gonna go like.
So I'm guessing when they're invisible, you go. He's grown like 6 foot.
Hurry, press the button. All of a sudden it says subscribe. Oh, we completed it. We
Yay,
did it.
average. All YouTubers are safe. Yeah, I didn't know any of them.
Well, we definitely need to do another one right after this, but that's to be continued.
Yes.
Yes.